Hey. All right, guys, we're at the job site, and we're going to show you guys how to make a rebar mat, put it in the footing, and on the next video, say what's up, Zeke. On the next video, we'll show you how to pour some concrete. So let's head over. We're going to cut up some rebar with a quickie saw. Ezekiel, grab that big saw, dog. Make sure it has gas in it. And let's do this. Now we could have left it out. We could not have left that saw out. That's some expensive ass saw. The boy looks with his eyes closed. What's that? I'm wearing overalls. Actually, they're coveralls. Nada? Maybe not. Yeah, we will. Look at Ezekiel. He's a dumbass. Look at that. Oh, I told you he looks for things with his eyes closed. Damn the boy. So this is a quickie saw. Can I see it? That's a big boy with the diamond blade. When it cuts through this rebar, we're gonna get the rebar ready. These are 6-footers, huh? This is a rebar mat. This is what we're using to drop inside the footings. What about that one, Ezekiel? Check it. Look, those right there.
Those are 4s.
Well, I guess we're gonna have to cut up some rebar. So we're gonna get this stuff ready and we'll be right back. Quickie saw. Oh, that motherflower was heavy. My hands are still vibrating. Cut. Okay, so this is the finished product. Drop the mat in. We put our rebar template in. And all the verticals. We still have to do this side.
I did all the verticals, by the way.
Oh, shut up, Ezekiel. But that's the finished product, basically. We're going to go all the way around this entire area to pour the foundation for a brand new building.